Curfew imposed in Red Hills Road, 100 Lane and surrounding areas. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 48-hour curfew has been imposed in communities of 100 Lane, Park Lane, Red Hills Road, Kingston 19 and section of Whitehall St. Andrew. The curfew began at 6 p.m. on Friday, December the 6th and will remain in effect until 6 p.m. on Sunday, December the 8th. The boundaries of the curfew are north from the intersection of Red Hills Road and Pennant Terrace to the intersection of Pennant Drive and Pennant Terrace, east along Pennant Drive from the intersection of Pennant Terrace to the intersection with Whitehall Avenue, south along Whitehall Avenue from the intersection with Pennant Drive to the intersection to Red Hills Road, west along Red Hills Road from the intersection with Whitehall Avenue to the intersection with Pennant Terrace. During the hours of the curfew, all persons within the boundaries are required to remain in their premises unless authorized by the ground commander. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.